Automatic Long Range Locator System, Auto LRL. It is an advanced search system that covers a large scan distance within a very wide scan area within the specified land. This system automatically searches for buried metal targets within the scan area according to the settings that are set in advance. This will reduce the search area as much as possible, saving effort, time, and cost for the prospector. Device installation. 1. Connect the antennas into the sockets in the device as follows. Two. Connect the IMTU probe to the device. Note, make sure the lock of the antenna unit is closed so that they are stable during use. Three. Use the power socket on the bottom of the main unit to connect the battery. Note, immediately after entering any search system from the main menu, a video will appear which will notify the device's assembly steps. System selection. To start using the automatic long-range locator system, select this system from the main menu and then press the OK button. After system selection, a screen will appear which includes a couple of tabs to set the settings for the system, which are distance. The device can search for targets for a distance of up to 3,000 meters. And the user can change the distance value with the up-down arrow buttons. Depth. It represents the maximum depth that the device will search for targets within the range from 0 to 100 meters, and you can choose from predefined values using the arrow buttons. How to use. After the setup is completed, hold the device as follows and make sure that you're holding the device fixed to your body without moving. Then stand in the search area and press the OK button on the keypad to start the scanning process. When you press the OK button on the keypad, the following screen will appear, which includes a graduated bar graph made of rectangles with a red line in the middle. This red line is the center of the scanning process, or degree 0, and the user then directs the device to the front side. During the scan process, the user stands at a fixed point and moves the device only from the center to the right side slowly, according to the indicator at a rate of 90 degrees. When reaching the far right, the user begins to return at the same speed from the far right to the center. Immediately after the indicator and the user reach the center, the indicator will start to go to the left side, and the user will also direct the device to the left side according to the indicator, also at a rate of 90 degrees. When reaching the far left, the user begins to return at the same speed from the far left to the center. In this system, the user covers 180 degrees from the perimeter around him without moving from his place, only moving the device according to the indicators on the screen. Report. After completing the search in the area, you can click on Next by pressing the OK button to move to the results report. Using this report will help determine whether or not this area contains any valuable target. You can see 4 types of targets in this screen: gold, silver, iron, and diamonds. The percentage of each shows the probability ratio of the discovered target, and through it, the nature of the target can be known.